hello everyone. In this video we're going to be showing you how to clean your dog or cat's ears. Both of them tend to be pretty similar. Norman here is going to help us with this demonstration, and same thing with doing nail trims or other things that can sometimes be scary. We usually like to start off with a little bit of a treat or a little bit of a snack so that they don't start to dislike anything about just some basic cleaning and maintenance. So you'll want to have a bottle of an ear flush. So usually these come in pretty big bottles because these are just used for cleaning. We do have multiple different kinds of ear cleaners here in the clinic that can help to prevent certain things like yeast or bacteria. But basically you want to just make sure it has a drying agent in it to make sure it helps to dry the ears out at the end. You can also take, I like these gauze squares because they fit around my finger really nice, but a lot of people like to use some cotton balls. Or even sometimes with your smaller pets, a little bit of a small Kleenex wrapped around your finger can work as well. So the biggest thing to keep in mind when cleaning your dog's ears is that the ear canal is L-shaped, so it's a lot bigger than it looks. It'll go both down and over, so it's really hard to get medication and cleaners all the way in the ear unless you're using this method. So you'll want to hold the ear flap up, and biggest thing I can say is fill the ear canal until it starts to overflow. And that's going to tell you that the ear cleaning solution has gotten all the way down in that ear canal, so we're getting the entire thing. You'll then kind of do a good massage around the base of the ear to kind of work all of that cleaning solution down in the ear canal. This is also breaking up any of that tough waxy debris that's down in there. A good time to clean ears is oftentimes about 10 minutes before applying ear medication, so it can be the most effective. After bathing or grooming is also another good time to do it, to make sure any of the shampoo that might have gotten in there or any debris doesn't cause any irritation. But now you can see that as far as my finger can go, I'm not going to do any harm to the ear canal, and that's on any size dog. So if you're just using your finger, you don't need to worry about going too far. But you'll use that to just kind of wipe out any debris into the ear canal. And then if you do see some buildup within the folds of the ear flap, you can kind of be a little bit more specific in here to kind of get any extras out. And sometimes they like a good little massage at the end. So last part, usually the dog helps you out with themselves, and that's that they usually give their head a good shake to kind of get any residual ear cleaner out. Norman's not wanting to do that today, but that's okay. But that's why we have our drying agent in there to kind of help make sure that the ear dries out on its own as well. Again, wait about 10-15 minutes before applying any ear medications. Some dogs need ear cleaning more frequently than others, so if you have any questions on specific plans or methods to use for your own pet, definitely something that you can talk about with your veterinarian as well. So hopefully that helps give you an idea on how to do some good ear cleaning at home.